Hey everyone, Rob here. I discovered what I would call an issue on my Hyundai Kona Electric that applies to many, if not most, modern vehicles. It's an area between your front tire fender and your door that collects leaves, dirt, water, salt, which, might potentially lead to rusty rocker panels or something like that if left unattended. If your car is parked under a tree like mine is, it's especially problematic. So basically, when water and leaves fall to the bottom of your windshield, they can travel through a grate along this channel and then down out here behind the tire. So while water can escape from here, leaves can't. When pressing in this spot, I can hear leaves crunching and I see them packed in there. Well, I imagine the cleaning method I'm about to show you could apply to various vehicles. It works on the Hyundai Kona Electric, which is what I'm showing you on. First, you need to remove the grommets that hold this plastic part in place. It's really tight in here, so you might have to slightly close the door to be able to do it. I'll use a small crowbar to get it out of there. There's also a grommet beside the front tire, which can give you a little more access. Second, you'll want to carefully push the plastic piece that's hiding all the leaves, and start to pull them out with your hands or needle nose pliers if needed. I collected all of this from just one side of my car. Next up, I grabbed a vacuum and cut a piece of old broken hula hoop, but you can use an old hose or buy some tubing at Home Depot or something. Then you'll want to grab some duct tape and tape the tubing to the end of the vacuum. Then you'll want to stick it down the problem area under the hood, turn it on, and start to suck up all the remaining leaves and junk. If you have one, grab a leaf blower and do the opposite by blowing it in there. Check in that area by the door again, and see if you could grab any extra leaves or junk out of there. Finally, to get that gunk out, grab a toothbrush and some soapy water and scrub away. Make sure to rinse with some nice clean water as well, then dry it clean if you want to be thorough. I would suggest doing this once a year, preferably after winter when you change your tires if you're worried about salt and sand. When you're all done cleaning, pull the grommets open to put them back in. This will actually make it a lot easier to get them back in there. Holding a camera, pointing. Where'd my hand go? Now I'm pointing at the mirror. Now it's going down, doing a little circle thingy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.